This video I want to talk about happened in Malta. I was waiting about 2 months ago. I was waiting them to talk about it. Nobody want to share it. Sometimes I think maybe they are shameful, they are ashamed of themselves this time around or what. So, because of food, it happened here. These guys is the people that I always meet in the bus. I know they're about to kill this guy. I know. Or I know that there is a big problem. I don't know that this one is the one that I'm planning to kill. Every morning I cannot hear something in the bus where they are talking about this guy. I don't know that it's even this guy now they killed now. The other two always talk about this one and this one I posted here now. Food, they cannot pay, but you eat this and that. You mess up the house. Not only you messing up the house. Mostly about food. When they buy drink, he say no, you don't want to drink. When they left, then they drink all of them. You see? Igbos too, I'm not talking about woman. Woman is not involved. If woman is involved or any of them married now, they will say, they will put all the whole thing, all the whole blame to the woman. She's the cause. I know Igbo people. But two brothers from Igbo land, two cousins, cannot live even in one department and peacefully live in peace. No way. They must fight for food. Food, not because of food. The other one kill the other one. You see, this is the people that are always in the bus. They cannot allow me to rest. IPOP say, IPOP no say, Biafra say, Biafra no say. You see? And they don't have love, just food. Yes, I believe, because it has happened to me a lot. That's why I don't want to put anybody on my apartment. You give them appointment is a problem. Igbo people. You give them apartment. Okay, to pay house rent is a problem. But on your phone, they will be calling, baby, I'll change your life. You see? Why I'm saying about this guy now, that they still say, because this is the place that will always make me so much angry. When you advise them, they will tell you are not the one who carry me come. Brother, this thing you are doing, this thing, not that I go there, maybe you were in a bar, talking a lot of, because they always talk a lot of rubbish when you take one bottle. I tell them that this thing is not good. This thing here, because whatever they are saying in their mind, they think that is a joke. They are about to do it. Brother, but that life is not good. No. Now you carry me come. Now waiting black people they talk. They don't want to speak to them. Now you carry me come. So when you die, am I the one who to carry you? Did I sign that I will carry you or contribute for you to go? You are dead. You are useless dead body to go back to your country. I've been a dead body. Now you carry me, make me come here. If I die, make I contribute. For what reason? Can you tell me the reason why I should contribute? But when I tell you, when I preach to you, insulting me, then when you die, you say I can contribute. Anyway, it's not forcing, but I'm still telling you that anybody that is contributing for that person is more the same useless people. The same useless, because this thing is getting out of hand a lot. Even when you contribute the money, they still eat the money. It has happened a lot. They will never take that person back to home. When they contribute, even sometimes some white people, if they have accident and the person or where he's working or something and fell down from storage building and die, they always pay. The government always pay, or the company always pay. It depends on what you people want to do to take him back home to his country or whatever, or even for his area. But the same Igbo people will eat the money. The same Nigerian people will eat the money. The same Benin people will eat the money. Because they must surrender the money to someone. They will eat the money and left the dead body over there. So, it has happened last time again. One Igbo man died here. They say contribute. I tell some people, don't contribute. It's for nothing. Finally, they eat the money. This one now died because of food. Because they cannot buy drink. Because they want to save or whatever to go to Nigeria and make sure. So they will call him Oga, boss. In Europe, they are not eating. Don't tell me that Europe is too hard. It's not hard. It's not hard. Even Nigeria is not hard. I know what I'm saying. You make life to be so miserable to yourself. I'm still telling you, instead of you to rent apartment with this kind of people, it's better you stay alone and pay all the homeowner and have your peace. Because they put you in a problem. Some people will make you become, the world will see you as a wicked person. But for a long time, you've been talking. How can you stay in a house? You don't want to buy food. You feel like you are not hungry. When they say contribute, that's why I don't contribute. I know these people right from time. To contribute food, you feel like it has happened to me a lot. Contribute. He will pretend that he's not hungry. But when you finish eating, bros, I will pay next month. You are working and working. Even though you are working, why are you living at home? Why did you come? It's not my business. If you are working or you are not working, what I know that my apartment, it does not belong to me. I'm not the one who owns the apartment. Even though I'm the one. If I like, I give it to you free. But it's not we are paying for someone. Everybody works for his money. You don't want to spend your own money, but you want to spend on girl, you want to spend on juju, you want to spend in one thing or another, you want to save, you want to send to Africa, because first take care of yourself. I'm not advising because I know you people always foolish, but what I'm telling you, you want me to type RIP again for here? This is the people that are never allow me to have rest about IPOP story, bra 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 bra. They don't get money, but they have the one where they take the bleaching clean. They know they get. If they don't tell you, say, I hear say this one wouldn't kiss in wife die. Born. Any evil, I'm still telling you, any evil way you do must they follow you. And you will meet you one way, anywhere, at any time. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Most of things that are causing all this problem is the cause. Don't worry. You can never understand. It will reach you. Okay? Unu ya wogidog nonsense. Una wog. Nyonu to eat a problem for una. But to buy cream or to fuck. To pay house rent where you live is a problem. To pay house rent where you live is a problem. To contribute. The way they talk, even when they will be begging you for house, please, brother. Well, I know you are not my brother, but I tell you the price. This is the price. Sometimes you will show them even the agreement for everything. Tomorrow you will be hearing your name outside. Hey, add money for me. It is always their plan is always evil. Everything in their heart is always evil. They don't want to spend for themselves, but they want you. Everything is cheating in Igbo people life, in black life. Thank you. So, like I say, or may I contribute? I decrease. Is it what I come for? To contribute for your dead body. If they bury you here, is it not even better? Why are you not happy that they bury you in Europe? Nonsense.